Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Naomi Victoria, and this week has been actually crazy. I said last week that I was going to weekly vlog, but I'm daily vlogging today because the UK, obviously you guys will know, it's probably happened by the time I posted this video, but we're entering L-Down 2.0, which obviously is very necessary, but it doesn't make it any less anxiety ridden. So I'm daily vlogging today because today is the last day when we can kind of officially do stuff to an extent, and I need to go to Ikea. There's a chair that I've got my eye on and literally don't know when the next time I'm gonna get to go there is. So spur of the moment, me and my boyfriend are going to head and try and get that chair, see what else there is, get some veggie balls because they are the best. And I don't know, I feel like today, I want to cram everything in. I don't know whether you guys have felt like that as well. But yeah, let me know where you're from in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are and what's going on. It's all a bit crazy, isn't it? I'm gonna try and put you guys down there actually. I have just had a delivery from Asos, so I'll open that with you guys. I've ordered 3 things and I'm hoping the jacket looks nice because these jackets are really in fashion at the moment, and it's a cheaper version of, I think it's cheaper anyway than ones that they have in Zara, so I'll link it down below for you guys if it's nice. And also I've had a delivery of chocolate as well, so I mean that's always welcome. Just quickly show you guys the little necklace that my mum bought me. It's from Oliver Bonus. It's got a stone in it and I think it's meant to be for healing. I've been wearing this literally every day. Okay, so the first thing I have to show you guys from Asos is this shirt jacket or shacket from Stradivarius. And if anyone knows anything about Stradivarius basically being Zara, let me know because the tag is exactly the same. But this is an oatmeal coloured shacket. I think it's so nice. It would go with literally everything. Everyone on Instagram is wearing these at the moment and it feels really lovely quality. It's really soft, it's not thin at all. I'll leave on screen what size I got this in as well, but yes, definite keeper. I really like this and it's only $29.99, so if you're wanting something like this, definitely check this one out. I think they probably just have the same parent company, but do you guys see what I mean? The tag looks really similar. Bershka's literally the same as well. Kind of weird. Also from Asos, I picked out 2 pairs of high-waisted skinny jeans, and this is also from Stradivarius, this off-white pair, and just a plain black high-waisted pair as well, which are very similar to my Topshop Joni jeans. However, these are both in the sale for like £15 each, so I'll link them down below for you guys. I've been sent across some chocolate, which is always welcome, and I'm going to try and eat healthier in lockdown, but I can always make an exception for Nomo because they're my faves. So I've got some dark chocolate, some fruit and crunch, and some plain. They've also just brought out a new caramel one which comes in yellow packaging and it's absolutely divine, so thank you Nomo. So this is my stunning lunch for today. I've got a very basic avocado toast, but I genuinely love avocado toast. So I've just mashed an avocado with a bit of garlic and then put some salt and chili flakes on the top. And I've put it on my new plate. This looks really good. My boyfriend's made. What do you want to say?
It is basically spaghetti. Oh no, do that again. It's pasta. Pasta with Lloyd Grossman tomato and basil sauce and some lentils.
Yummy, yummy. And you're gonna put a tomato?
Yes.
Hi, can I have a small coffee frappuccino with almond milk and caramel syrup, please? So this is the type of chair, I hope you guys can hear me right away. This is the type of chair I'm after, kind of like a Scandinavian style. This is like faux leather with dark wood. I think it's really nice. So if I can find anything like this but a little bit cheaper. We have some more chairs over here. These look nice. I like these tall back ones. That's cute. So this is the Vedbo. These are nice as well. Oh look, they've got their little Christmas tree set up already. That's a very sparse Christmas tree. It's getting me in the festive mood. I really like the dark theme in here as well. Very country house. Even this tiny child's chair is £100. Oh yeah, this is the table that my boyfriend has in the lounge. It's the Love Vacan. So whilst I found a really good mirror, I think I'm actually going to get this mirror. It's £45, it's quite wide, but I thought I'd do an outfit of the day for you guys. So I've got my little crop top on from Zara, some joggers from Misguided, and then some little Primark shoes, and I'm wearing my new NV bag from my latest Zara haul as well. And my mum actually bought me my face mask. It's got like zodiac designs. I don't know how well you can see it. So this mirror is the Nissadal and it's £45. Definitely going to get this one. Look at how wide it is. You can do really good like OOTDs. Also, they do this absolutely ginormous mirror. Look at how big that one is. And that's like floor to ceiling, so that's only £90. And I say only £90 because I've looked at mirrors like this before and they can literally be about £1,000. So £90 is amazing. This is the Hovert. And then they've got my mirror in black, wood and white. And I'm gonna go for the white. Try and play. Every time I come to Ikea, I come into this bit because it's like the dream. Also, that lamp is beautiful. That's Simrisham. I have no idea how to say that. And that's £60. That's really beautiful. Might add that to my list. But just imagine like waking up to this every morning, going for a bath here, those lights. I just think this is so nice. You've got like Romeo and Juliet sinks as well, cute. And then stepping out into here and getting changed. I literally would never leave the house. We found this cute little marble table that might be a contender for the kitchen table, and it's only £35. So you have to buy the top separately and then the bottom, but the marble pattern is so nice as well, so I actually think that's such a bargain. Oh, look at these. So you've got a little kiddie's Christmas apron and even more cute, a little kiddie's Christmas hat, a little chef hat, and it's only £2. These look so much like the Wagamama plates. So these are £5. That'd be really nice for lunch or something. These are really cute. I absolutely love the kind of weird design of that. And they've got a matching mug as well. They're really cute, really nice colour pink. I found a little kitchen Christmas section. So they've got a little tray. Oh, here it is. You've got Santa and a cat. Oh, here's the tray. Then you've got the placemat. You've got some red napkins, a little cookie box. Is there cookies in here? No, you can make your own, put them in here. There's a little table runner. Some really nice bits. However, I don't like red, so I'm gonna move on. This is more my vibe. I really love this pink. That is such a nice colour pink. I think that's a napkin holder. And that one as well, that's really pretty. These champagne glasses are giving me like Great Gatsby vibes. I don't really like champagne, but I think they are beautiful. Okay, so we've just got back, and on the way back we stopped off for a Wagamama takeout. One last Wagamama. My chili oil spilled, but I want to show you what order I usually get because it is the best. So as you can see, it says kids. Let me just grab everything. So what I usually get isn't actually on the adult menu. I think they used to have it, but it isn't anymore. It's basically the chahan, and it's the yasai chahan, and I get it with no egg. and it's my favourite thing in literally the entire world. Pretty much everyone that's been to Wagamama with me also gets it now themselves, and it's just tofu fried rice, and it tastes so good. So you've got like these little tofu puffs, and all I do is put a bit of the chili oil, which is spilt, and then some of the sashimi powder on top, and it's my favourite thing in the entire world. So I've got 2 of those, and then we've also got, I've got one and Matt's got one, some Bang Bang cauliflower. Oh, honestly, I don't know how they make cauliflower, because obviously it's a vegetable. Tastes so good. And I'll just show you this one as well. Look at how good these look. Literally my favourite meal in the entire world. So I'm going to plate these up and go and enjoy.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
I have these that I picked up the other day in the pound shop. And I'm going to try and use one as a little tripod to put you guys on. Is that better? Hello. We just got back from Ikea. I'm going to show you what we picked up. Didn't pick up much at all. By the way, there's fireworks going off outside as well. I think people are preparing for bonfire night. But I picked up this clear coffee mug. I just thought, obviously with hot chocolate season coming up, and yes, it is a season, this would be really cute for hot chocolates. Any coffees that I have, I can put them on Instagram, and it's just a really nice size. Like, it's huge, so you can fit more coffee in it, more hot chocolate in it, and I thought it was really nice for Instagram pictures. So that was like £1. Okay, moving out the way, we picked up this mirror here. I already have a mirror in this room just here, and that one's from the range, but it's very slim, whereas if you can see how wide this guy is, this is the Nissadal. As I showed you guys in Ikea, this would be great for like outfit pictures, and as you can see, there's a window right here as well, so in the morning the light will be perfect. It's very dark outside at the moment, but we've currently got it leaning against the wall, so I might just leave it leaning against the wall, and that way I can kind of move it around as well. And then spinning you around here, I picked up this rug, and I've just put it over the clear ghost chair. This room is very empty, by the way, but I have this rug here. I've had this for ages, and this is also Ikea, £7, and this is just like a more shaggy version. That's kind of like faux fur, and this is like Sherpa material, which I really like, and you can always cut these up and do DIYs with them and stuff like that. So that's just over that chair at the moment to add a bit of texture, I guess. Aren't my slippers adorable? They are so fluffy. I got these earlier this year from Asos, and I'll link them down below if they still have them in stock. I'm not sure if they do, but they are so incredibly warm, and I'm literally obsessed. Okay, I'm coming up so shiny on camera, and I have no idea why I'm not shiny in real life at all, but I just wanted to reach out to you guys and manifest a bit of positivity. I hope you're doing okay. Obviously it's anxiety inducing times, we're all going through this together, but it doesn't necessarily make it any better. And I've never really spoken about mental health on my channel, but obviously mental health is something we all kind of experience in different levels. Some people can be absolutely fine and not really experience much, and then other people struggle with it daily. And 2020 has been really hard for me. With everything in the world going on aside, it has been the hardest year of my life. Personal problems, family losses, it's just been so bad. So I'm manifesting a bit of positivity for 2021. Obviously I don't think what's happening is going to go away anytime soon, but I'm just picturing winter 2021, sat in a log cabin in a blanket near a fire, with a hot tub outside as well. That would be the absolute dream, like sitting in a warm hot tub in the middle of the forest with a hot chocolate in a log cabin when there's snow. That would be my absolute dream. Definitely missing out on that one this year, but hopefully next year. But yeah, obviously it's a toughie for everyone, and yeah, it sucks. I don't know what else to say, it's just horrible, isn't it? But yeah, I'm gonna get my makeup off. I think I'm gonna have a bath actually, now I'm thinking about that hot tub. I bought a new bubble bath from Lush the other day, and I've never actually tried it. It's the Snow Fairy scent, which is the best Lush scent apart from the Calicus spray and Yognog at Christmas, which I don't know whether they have that out actually, but absolutely delicious. But yeah, Snow Fairy. So I'm gonna go and run a bath, take my makeup off, and the boyfriend is downstairs learning the bass guitar. He's a bit shy on camera at the moment, so I'm not deliberately hiding him from you guys. He will come on when he's ready, but at the moment he's a bit like, I don't want to be on camera, so I'm just respecting his wishes. I know some of you have messaged me to ask. He will be on when I can coax him around to it. I don't think the sparkles are picking up on camera, but basically the lady told me to break off a little bit, run it under the bath, and it will create a lovely bubble bath. So I'm going to try and break this, and I don't want to ruin it because it looks really pretty. Oh. This is really difficult. Okay, let's go and run this under the bath. Okay, so my bath's ready, and that Lush bubble bar literally has created a little bubble mountain, and it smells amazing. It's done so much better than I thought it would. I'm very impressed. It's kind of next to impossible to find good light when it's pitch black outside, but somehow the light from the landing make it look like golden hour right now in here, so I'm just gonna stand here and film my outro. My bath is run, I need to take my makeup off, and I hope you guys stay safe. Wow, it really does look like golden hour. It's literally pitch black outside, so there we go, like how to fake golden hour inside. Just put your landing light on and stand in a different room. Join me next week for my weekly vlog. Obviously today was a daily vlog, but yeah, I'll start weekly vlogging from now on, and I will see you soon. Bye everyone.